Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to change your profile picture for your Google Meet meetings. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official Google Meet website right here, and after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see multiple options on the screen, such as creating a new meeting right here, or you can join an existing meeting using a code or a link and so on. So guys, what you want to do is go right here into the upper right corner if you want to change your profile picture. Go ahead and click your profile picture right here. This is my current profile picture, and now this will open up this new account tab where you can edit your settings for your Google account. So guys, basically, if you want to change your profile picture for your Google Meet meeting, you will have to change the profile picture of your Google account. And it's very easy to do, guys. All you have to do is go ahead and click this camera icon next to your profile picture. So guys, go ahead and click this camera icon right here. And after clicking on the camera icon, guys, now this will open up this new tab where you can either remove your profile picture or change it into something else. So if I go ahead and click the change button right here, guys, you can see now this opens up this new tab where I can either add illustrations that are already offered to me. I can go ahead to the Google Photos folder and add something for my Drive or similar, or I can add it from my computer if I have a picture downloaded on my computer. So guys, after that, after adding the profile picture, it will be automatically added and changed right here, and then you can go ahead and join the meeting with your new profile picture. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.